Hi math lovers, welcome to notes number 33. I'd like to take some time to review circles. We're at the end of the chapter and circles were so far in the beginning. Let's go back to circles and talk about them. I want to know what the center and the radius are of these circles. If you take a look at them, you can't tell from just looking at them. You can't tell what that H and the K are. We're going to have to use completing the square here. Oh, so much fun. Okay, so I've got to get this in the right format to complete the square. So I'm going to go ahead and do the right. This is x squared plus 12x plus something plus y squared minus 6y plus something. I'm going to bring that 0 over, and then I'm going to have, I know I'm going to add two numbers to it, so I'm going to put little blanks there so I don't get messed up. Okay, so let's take half this middle term. I know I'm going to have a perfect square. Over here, I know I'm going to have a perfect square. Okay. Half the middle term here is 6, so it's going to be x plus 6. I square that 6 on the way up, so that's 36. I added 36 to the left side, so I add 36 to the right side. Over here, no, I have minus 6, so that's going to be y minus half of 6 is 3, so minus 3. I'm going to square it as I go up, so this is 9, and I add 9 to the right side. So I get 45, okay? So now it's in that beautiful, beautiful form that we wanted. I can look at it right away and know my center is going to be negative 6, 3, and my radius is going to be, oops, let's make that a square root sign, square root of 45, okay? My radius is the square root of 45. You want to leave that or you want to change it to, or simplify it, that's fine with me. But you've got the square root of 45, which of course would be 3 root 5, or, right? Okay, take a look at this puppy. Oh, that looks like a fun one. Here's the problem. My coefficient is not, my leading coefficients are not 1. So I need to go ahead and get rid of the 2/3. Is there some number I can multiply everything through by that would get rid of that? Yeah, it's going to be 3/2, okay? So we're going to take everything that we have here and we're going to multiply it by 3/2, okay? 3 over 2y minus 1 equals 0, and this side 3/2 over there. All right, so we're going to go ahead and distribute and clean the whole thing up. I have x squared plus 3/2 x. I'm going to leave the blank here because I know I'm going to complete the square. I might as well. Y squared. I'm going to multiply 3/2 times 3/2 y. Oh, this y really should be like living up here, not all the way down there. So that's going to be 9/4. I think it's a minus 2, 9/4 y. I'm going to put the blank there because I know I'm going to complete this square. And I'm going to multiply by 3/2. Is it okay with you guys if I go ahead and I bring that right on over? That's going to be 3/2, so it's going to be plus 3/2. And I'm going to have 2 blanks. I guess I didn't need the 0. All right, I'm ready to go ahead and complete the square. So let's take half this middle term. So half of 3/2, ugh. It's not 3/2, is it? It's not 3/2. It's 3/4, isn't it? Oh my gosh. Where's the 4? Hold on, I'm losing a term. Oh, no. It's half of 3/2 is 3/4. Yes, multiply it by 1/2. X plus 3/4. Okay, half of 3/2 is 3/4. Square the fourths, and that's 9 over 16. See how easy it is to make a mistake? We all make mistakes, but we come back from them. And then I take half of 9/2, right? I'm going to multiply that by 1/2. So 9/4 times 1/2 is 9/8. All right, I'm going to square it as I go up. That's going to be 81 over 64. Oh my gosh, such a big number. Okay, now I know off the top of your head you're going to add all those fractions together, get a common denominator of 64. So you have 213 over 64. We're ready. Doesn't it look like that perfect circle form now? Center, you know your center. Your center is going to be negative 3/4 and 9/8. It's beautiful. And my radius is going to be the square root of this. So let's say the square root of 213 over the square root of 64, which is 8. Okay, so fun. problems today. You have a worksheet that you can do. It's called the Another Circle worksheet to help you review. There's also a practice test in your textbook you can work on to review chapter 1. Have fun!